Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Grammarly Premium subscription. Whether you're looking to switch to a different plan or simply no longer need the premium features, this process is straightforward, and I'll walk you through each step. Start by opening a browser window and navigate to www.grammarly.com. If you haven't already signed in, go ahead and enter your login credentials now. Once you're signed in, you'll be directed to the Grammarly dashboard where all your documents are stored. This is your main workspace within Grammarly, and it's where we'll begin the cancellation process. Once you've successfully signed in and your documents have loaded up, look over to the left navigation menu. Here you'll find several options for managing your Grammarly experience. Click on Account. This section is where all your profile settings and account management tools are located, making it the central hub for any changes you want to make to your subscription or personal information. From the profile page, look at the left side menu again, and this time click on Subscription. This will take you to a page where you can view all the different subscription types Grammarly offers, including Free, Plus, and Enterprise. Now, assuming you currently have a premium subscription, you'll notice that under your current plan, there's a cancel option. Go ahead and simply click on it. A window will appear asking you about the reason for your cancellation. This is standard procedure as Grammarly wants to understand why users are leaving and potentially improve their service. Select the option that fits your situation best, then click on Proceed to Cancel to finalize your decision. And that's it. You've successfully canceled your Grammarly Premium subscription. Your premium features will remain active until the end of your current billing cycle, after which your account will revert to the free plan. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.